Hi! Didn't see you there. Maybe because my lenses are absolutely filthy. This would be a great time for us to all learn how to properly clean our lenses. The first step here, we're going to remove our lenses. We'll go ahead and just do a little spritz on the top here of our lenses. We just need one. We don't need to go overboard. We'll go ahead and take our microfiber cloth next. We're just going to wipe the top of our lenses and the bottom as well. We'll do that on the same side over here. You can see how absolutely filthy my glasses were. And then we'll go ahead and just put on our lenses again, and now they're nice and clean. Why is this important? Not only does it help to increase the longevity of your frame, but it also allows you to take full advantage of your nice clear lenses.
Go for it.
Didn't see you there. This way, is that cleaner? Hi. Oh wait, my glasses are clean.
Go.
I do not.